October 8th, I started this YouTube channel from absolute zero. Zero subscribers, zero videos, zero everything. And 32 days later, the channel was fully monetized. But not only that, once this channel got monetized, it only took another 32 days to make $7,000 in ad revenue alone. If you don't know who I am, my name is Razvan Paraschiv. I've been running Faceless YouTube channels for more than 5 years now, got millions of subscribers, made millions of dollars in ad revenue. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. So this channel, as you can see, took a little bit of time to get traction. We weren't getting much views in the beginning. It took 32 days to get monetized and we made 94 cents on the first day. But in the next 32 days after that, we made over $7,016.90. Not only that, but we've made over $16,000 since, and the channel is still making $2,000 to $3,000 per month right now on complete autopilot. We also have multiple videos that have made over $1,000, like this one right here, 1,900. This one with 262,000 views made 1,300, and this one another 1,300. And while I'm not going to reveal this exact channel at the moment because it's still running and we have bigger plans with it, I can tell you it's in a similar niche to my two other channels that I've previously shown here on the channel, Vintage Vehicles and America Grows. By the way, if you'd like to work directly with me on starting and scaling similar Faces YouTube channels and using them to create additional income, we are opening up a few more spots. Check out the first link in the description. And speaking of niches, I would say that this is probably one of the biggest keys with the success of this channel and the other two. The niches are boring, right? Think about it. Vintage cars, gardening, now your go-to when you think of making money on YouTube, right? But that's exactly why this and all my channels work, because they are in overlooked, quietly profiting, boring niches, just like boring businesses are, right? And you don't need to reinvent the wheel here either. The way I started Vintage Vehicles was I first saw bigger channels like Recollection Road and some smaller car channels that were posting some videos here and there, and I thought I could combine them and I could create a new channel about vintage cars. And look, I'm not exactly sure if you could do a similar thing today, but I'm sure if you get creative with it, there is still more formats and more some niches you can take from here, right? Recollection Road has an amazing channel, over 400,000 subscribers. They've been posting for 5 years now, so they've been in the game for quite a lot. They have over 628 videos. And how I would think about this is obviously do not copy their channel. Don't necessarily try to start a similar one. I think there's a lot of them, and I think, again, the competition and the quality is already very high. But because they make a bunch of different videos about diverse topics, like just simple objects from 1950s, on timeline for the bank robbers, the Dust Bowl and Thanksgiving football, or inventions, or let's see, what do they have? They talk about World War II, United States through the years, Christmas toys. They have all this collection of different topics. What if you would make a channel only about vintage toys, right? That could be an avenue. What if you make a channel about vintage politics? That could be another avenue. And again, this is kind of the same process that I used to kind of spin up Vintage Vehicles, which of course it's a different one. Now this channel alone is making upward of $10,000. I'm sure it's more than this, especially because they have some member videos right here. So they have that. And also brand deals. When you are able to grow a channel to 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, let alone 400,000 subscribers, I'm sure they're able to monetize through brand deals as well. And because the audience is very valuable, they're willing to charge a premium for them. And from there, we just kept expanding. If I go on the channel and I filter by most popular right now, you can see that we have a video about RVs and motorhomes. We have videos about famous people's car collections. We have videos about car chases, motorcycles, trucks, you name it, right? We start small, boring niches, and then you can grow from there. So full transparency with Vintage Vehicles, guys, you can see that lifetime, this channel generated 13.4 million views, 1.8 million watch hours, 35,000 subscribers, which by the way, it's way lower than most people think, right? I still see a lot of people saying, Russ, there's no way this channel made you 100,000, 200,000. We've only 10,000, 20,000 subscribers. Well, this is the proof. This channel right here made $130,000 in AdSense revenue alone, let alone the enterprise value, which is over $100,000 as well, with only 35,000 subscribers. And to prove this to you, let's go in settings right here. You can see that the currency is US dollar. If I change to Turkish lira, for example, the revenue will jump to 4,612,000. And if I go back to USD, you will see that we are back at the real number, which is 129. Now, if you don't know why I'm doing that, is because there's a lot of people on Twitter and TikTok who are just kind of famousing the currency of their channels and showing, hey, you can make millions of dollars with this type of channels, but you saw it here, it's all real and it's all free game. And similar thing with America Grows. If you see, this channel only started making money around August, and it's made in less than a year, it's made over $41,000 with a massive $1,700 day here in October. And what we did with this channel was look at vintage vehicles and say, okay, how can we make something similar but slightly different? Of course, we didn't want to have another video about just cars. So this one was about farming and gardening and this stuff, and it worked extremely well. The most popular video right here, 20 illegal garden crops you cannot grow in America, has over 1.4 million views, and it made over $14,580.23. One video. We're also using AI to help create this video, so the cost of production was around $50, and we got $14,000 in return. And not only that, but it's still growing. If you see, every single day it went from 14,351 to 14,398, 464, 515. So it's making $40 to $50 per day for a video that's been posted once, when in October 6, 2025, so like 4 months ago. And for those of you who maybe didn't know it was possible to make money with such channels before, let me show you this. There's this channel right here called Monkey Explains, literally explaining economics with a monkey, making upwards of $29,000 per month. This other channel called Agent Flappy, making animated documentaries about politics, also making what, $14,000 per month. Or this channel, Discover the Abroad, making videos about the specific housing situations across American states, making $5,000 to upwards of $10,000 per month, I would say. So if you think you need a big niche or original ideas to make money with Faceless YouTube channels, you don't. And there are actually so many more weird niches that can easily help you create an additional stream of income on the side of your job or current occupation. And it's relatively easy to start a channel like this, especially if you still like an artist. What I mean by this is that you can find a pattern from one niche or one channel and apply them to yours. And if this might sound controversial, just know that even the biggest YouTubers in the world are doing the same exact thing. So how this works is quite simple. Find a successful channel that you like and make sure it's making money, especially the type of money that you want to make. Then find all the channels in the niche, and if you think there is still some space or a new angle of videos that they are not making, start a similar channel and you add your own twist to it. Of course, you don't want to just copy and paste what they do. That won't work. You'll probably get shut down and definitely won't make money. But if you make it slightly different, slightly better, you have a pretty solid chance. And now with AI, this is easier than ever, but you also need to be more careful than ever, because what a lot of people do is just copy paste other people's scripts or other people's thumbnails with AI, and they wonder why they're not making money. Obviously, you don't want to do that. You don't want to be that person. Instead, you can use AI the smart way to help you get the structure of their videos and create something similar yourself, or to create your voiceover, etc. But you still need to do some QC, some quality control. Make sure you're not just spamming AI slop on YouTube and expect to be making money. Here's all the AI tools that I'm using on this channel. Claude to help me with the scripts, 11 Labs to create voiceovers, and then we outsource editing and thumbnails to freelancers from Upwork.com for $50 per video, which is way cheaper than most people expect, I know. And by following this exact process with these tools, we've been able to generate over $7,000 in 30 days, $16,000 in a couple of months with this channel, and would love to help you do the same. Our clients right now are getting over 120 million views and make over $500,000 per month from AdSense revenue alone. So if you want to learn more about working together, check the link in the description and let's talk. No problem if not. Enjoy the content and see you next time.